So what do you do when you want to draw a nice radius across the top edge of the stock, and the only thing that you've got are these, which aren't nearly as long? Here's a shop tip from Wood Magazine on how to turn just scrap pieces of T-track into a terrific beam compass. So to make this adjustable beam compass, all I started with was a piece of T-track and a small piece of hardwood stock. I drilled a hole in one end and threaded in a 1/4-20 rod with a little bit of epoxy on the end to hold it, and a washer. This goes in the track, and when I tighten this down, it holds it securely. Now to make a beam compass out of this, I drill a small hole, and I'm using a wood screw at one end and another small hole to firmly hold a pencil at the other. So now to do this, at this end, I'm just going to put a mark in the middle, and at the opposite end, the height of my arch. Now to use the compass, I'm going to set the screw in one side and just hold it down, and then adjust my pencil mark to hit the height of my proposed arch. And now that I'm ready, it's an easy process of just keeping pressure on the screw and making the arch from one side to the other. It's a perfect way to do this. The arch is exactly where you want it. This is a great tool.